Perhaps the word planet is from a nasalized form of pi root pele, which means flat, to spread, on the notion of spread out. By Greek plasein it means to mold, plasma something molded or created, Latin planus flat, level, even, plain, clear, Lithuanian plonas thin, Celtic *lanon plain, Old Church Slavonic polj flat land, field, Russian pali open, Old English feld, Middle Dutch veld field. Claudius Ptolemy lived during 100 to 170 AD. He was a mathematician, astronomer, astrologer, geographer, and music theorist, who wrote about a dozen scientific treatises, 3 of which were of importance to later Byzantine, Islamic, and Western European science. There is a book called Spiritual Body and Celestial Earth that is in relation to his beliefs. It enlightens about that the perception of the Sophianic history of the earth geosophy, obviously cannot take place in the framework. I repeat, cannot take place in the framework of the celestially perceived geography. It presupposes a visionary geography. Imagination does not construct something unreal, but instead unveils the hidden reality. Hence, the flat earth. Just like a heavenly figure, the earth is haloed. Think of it as your guardian angel. We can leave aside all discussion of positive material topography and concern ourselves only with the image. Insofar as it is an organ of perception and insofar as it is itself perceived through a psychogeography. The Dream of Scipio, Latin, Somnium Scipione, written by Cicero, is the 6th book of De Re Publica, and describes a postulated fictional or real, dream vision of the Roman general Scipio Aemilianus, set 2 years before he oversaw the destruction of Carthage. In 146 BC, appears to his grandson and tells him of the universe and his destiny in the Somnium Scipione. He explains to his grandson that because the planets are set apart at fixed intervals, a sound is produced as they move. The moon, being the lowest sphere,
and the one closest to Earth, emits the lowest sound of all, whereas the heaven emits the highest. The Earth, on the other hand, does not move, remaining motionless at the center of the universe. Images from a 12th century manuscript of Macrobius Commentarii in Somnium Scipionis. The universe, the Earth in the center, surrounded by the 7 planets within the zodiacal signs. The 5 climes of the Earth. Frozen climes in yellow, temperate climes in blue, torrid climb in red. A sketch map showing the inhabited northern region separated from the antipodes by an imagined ocean at the equator. A diagram showing a lunar eclipse and a diagram showing a solar eclipse. 93 million light-years. Over and over again heliocentrist claims that solar eclipses prove the globe and would be impossible on a flat Earth. Well, today their theory has been debunked. Due to the inner and outer arcing paths of the Sun and the Moon. The midnight sun in Antarctica is the perfect example for this occurrence. Like, comment and subscribe for more.